Finally, let's do a quick summary of all about this tutorial. So in 1.1, we talked about the change of length of uniform bar and the non-uniform bars. For uniform bar, still remember it is alpha. For non-uniform bar, it is just like you rewrite this formula into the integral form. We also discussed the shear stress and the shear strain. The shear stress is given by tau equals to V divided by A. V is the shear force and the tau is the shear stress. A is the cross-sectional area. Notice that it is a kind of average. Also, we learned about Hooke's law in shear, which is given by tau equals to G times gamma, where gamma is the shear strain and G is the shear modulus. We also talked about the bearing stress on a boat. The bearing stress is given by P divided by TD, where TD is not the area of the cylindrical surface. It is a rectangular surface, lies in the middle of the cylinder. Also, we discussed about the Poisson's ratio, nu. Nu equals to minus of lateral strain divided by the axial strain. We also discussed the relationship between E and G. So the shear modulus is given by E divided by 2 of 1 plus nu. Besides, we also discussed in detail about the sign convention of shear forces. In short, symbol of force is the same to that of surface, means that the shear force is positive. In another word, if the symbol of force is different from that of surface, then the shear force is negative. And those two are the two decays of sign convention of the shear strain. For the negative shear strain, there will be negative shear force. Similarly, for positive shear strain, there will be positive shear force. Besides, we also discussed about the stress-strain diagram and some of their terminologies. We also discussed some special case, how to find the yield stress of materials like aluminum alloy. The answer is that we can try the 0.2% offset method to find the yield stress. This is all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. You can find the table of content under the description of this video, as well as the handouts of this tutorial. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.